In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear browsing data on Google Chrome Mobile. If your browser feels sluggish, a site isn't loading correctly, or you simply want a privacy refresh, clearing your browsing data is a quick fix you can do right on your Android phone. Start by opening the Chrome app. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap the three dots to open the menu. If the toolbar has scrolled away, just scroll up a bit and it will reappear. From the menu, tap History. This shows the pages you've visited, and it's also where you can clear things out. On the history screen, tap Clear Browsing Data. If you prefer getting there through Settings, you can also go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Both paths land you in the same place. Next, choose your time range. You'll see options like Last Hour, 24 Hours, or All Time. This tells Chrome how far back to delete data. If you only want to erase something recent, pick Last Hour. If you want a broader cleanup without wiping everything, 24 hours can work. And if you want a full reset, choose All Time. Now decide what to delete. You'll see browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. Browsing history removes the list of sites you've visited from your device's Chrome. Cookies and site data clear small files websites use to keep you signed in and remember preferences. Removing these can fix stubborn site issues, but it may sign you out of sites. Cached images and files delete stored copies of pictures and pages. This can free up space and force sites to load fresh content, which often resolves display glitches. Tick the items you want to remove based on your goal. For a full reset, select all three. If you only want to troubleshoot one website, it's usually enough to clear cookies and site data along with cached images and files, while leaving browsing history unticked so your visit list stays intact. When you're ready, tap Clear Data. Chrome will process your choices, and the change is immediate. Afterward, the first load of some sites might be a bit slower as new files are cached again, and if you cleared cookies, you may need to sign back into certain accounts. That's all there is to it. By choosing the right time range and the specific types of data, you can keep Chrome running smoothly, fix misbehaving pages, and control what your browser stores. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the cleaner, faster browsing experience on your Android device.